warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Faiz Jawaddil Husein.
My name is Rizki Al Hakim.
Okay guys, for this time we want to tell you how to operate the drilling machine. Step 1. Line the workpiece using a height gauge on a flat table. Step 2. Turn on the switch. Step 3. Attach the drill bit to the drill chuck. Step 4. Fix the workpiece on a vise and support it with wood. Next, turn the emergency button and turn on the engine speed. After that, do the drilling by turning the handle. When finished, turn off the machine by pressing emergency button. Next, remove the workpiece. Form the vise. Remove the drill bit from the drill chuck. Then clean up the workpiece and clean the machine too. Then put the equipment in its place. Finally, turn off the switch. Thanks for watching and thanks for your attention.